Biopharmaceutical manufacturers face the constant challenge of getting new drugs to market faster and at a lower cost. For process developers, this means ensuring a smooth transition from product discovery to cost-effective GMP-performing production in less time. Now, our customers have inspired us to accelerate process development even further. ÄKTA Avant is available in 2 versions. ÄKTA Avant 25, optimized for resin screening and method optimization using small columns. And ÄKTA Avant 150, designed for scaling up to larger columns. Other features to help you save time include improved automatic and intelligent column and resin scouting, as well as Buffer Pro, a truly automated buffer preparation system that titrates with conjugated acid-base solutions, mimicking the way natural manual buffer preparation is performed. Buffer Pro makes pH scouting easy, saving you a significant amount of time. Finally, the intuitive method editor makes method creation fast and easy. Simply drag and drop phases from an extensive library of predefined phases, or create and save your own. A library of methods is also available to the user for quick startup. ÄKTA Avant is as safe as it is fast. The modular design makes servicing easy, minimizing downtime, and also offers you the possibility to customize your system. Built-in fraction collector with cooling and automatic tube type detection eliminates human error and protects your samples. Other features helping you to ensure operational and system security include improved integrated air sensors, unitag labeling of columns for traceability and easy access to run history of individual columns, and continuous measurement of pressure over the column during runs, letting you monitor the actual pressure on the separation resin during packing and runs. ÄKTA Avant makes scale-up smoother and simpler. ÄKTA Avant has been designed to fully exploit the advantages of modern bioprocess resins like MAB Select and Capto. Dedicated column formats ensure seamless scalability to full production scale. Unicorn software makes method scale-up simple and fast between ÄKTA Avant 25 and 150. High screen, dimensioned for optimized process development. High scale, pressure-stable, easy-to-pack columns. Axochrome, with the intelligent packing concept supported by ÄKTA Avant, ensures predictable scale-up. Speed, security, and scalability makes ÄKTA Avant from Cytiva the standard for fast and secure process development.